About 12 crore people have lost their job to COVID, and this is only the Indian metrics. India's unemployment rate has skyrocketed to about 30% since March 2020. This clearly means that any recruitment or hiring happening since this day is going to be a cutthroat competition for the job seeker. This also implies that unless you do something different to stand out of the crowd, you will be lost. But hey, there's a good news for you. Video resume is a feature which is not used by many professionals across. So, you can use this and be a differentiator. 89% of the employers have revealed that they would love to watch a video resume if it was submitted to them. But do you know that can you submit a video resume? So who needs to have a visual resume? Do you think that if you are a banker who completely needs to work on numbers and on the system all the time throughout the day will need to have a visual resume? No. People who are working in the front lines, like the people who are customer facing, their roles require them to be visually present in their jobs, need to prepare their visual resumes. For example, if you are in sales, in media, anchoring, front office, reception, in these frontline jobs, if you present a visual resume, it will be an added advantage for you. But hey, are you really equipped to develop a visual resume? Not everybody is really skilled enough to produce one visual resume. A badly done visual resume can instead backfire by demonstrating your lack of talent. A visual resume can never replace a print resume. However, it can complement a print resume. So you can send your visual resume along with your print resume as an attachment. If you're really active on the job searching platforms, you would have noticed that platforms as big as Naukri.com has come up with a feature called visual resume. So you can upload your 30 seconds to 1 minute video and impress your recruiters. An unprofessionally done visual resume with poor communication, poor lighting, background, sound, audio quality, discussing things out of your premises of your work, casual dressing can actually be a turn off to your recruiter. So make sure you do not have these things in your visual resume. There are certain basic specifications which needs to be fulfilled to prepare a visual resume. So if you want to prepare a video resume of yourself, make sure you can shoot your video resume either by using a phone or a digital camera or a DSLR camera. So whichever device you are using, while you are shooting, whichever platform you are going to upload, it will be telling you whether you should be shooting in 16:9 or 9:16 specifications. So make sure that you are using the right angle. This is the best angle to shoot your video resume. Make sure that you do not elevate the angle of the mobile so that you are not taking a selfie. Look straight into the mobile camera and it should be right onto your eye level. As I look into this, it should be right onto your eye level. Make sure that there is no background disturbance, there is proper light, sufficient light, there is no disturbance or distraction in your background. And make sure that you are wearing a professional attire. Anything which is presentable, anything which is, you don't have to put on blazers or anything, but if you still have, that's not a problem. So using these things, you can easily create a video resume. So don't forget to check out our next video, which is on the way, as I'm already working on it. And very soon in that video, I will be telling you what is the content which you have to say in the video resume. What are the things which you have to specifically mention, which are the things which you should not mention, how you should present yourself. Everything is going to come very soon, so stay tuned. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to our channel because we keep bringing content pertaining to career.